Hello guys, in this video we want to make a garland out of paper. I am Mr. Nose and this is the Short Crafts channel. Mrs. Lisa, I want to make a birthday for my friend Anna.
Well done, what a beautiful job.
But there is a problem. I don't know how to decorate the room for her to surprise her.
Don't worry, I have a good idea. We can make beautiful colored garland with which you can decorate the walls of the room.
Wow, you are right. This is very wonderful. I want a garland. I want a garland.
Okay. The guys and I are going to make it. Okay, guys, so today's mission is to make colorful garland for Mr. Nose so that he can use them to decorate his room. We need 6 to 10 A4 sheets to make this craft. In fact, if you want to have a longer garland, use 10 sheets, and if you want a shorter garland, use 6 sheets. I use 6 different color sheets here. You should fold each sheet in half first, like this. Now we need a round object so that we can draw a circle with it. Mr. Nose, can you bring us something like this? Ah! What are these?
Well, you wanted it yourself.
Okay. This is good, I will use this. Now, you have to cut this circle with scissors. Now, fold each of these circles like this. Then, cut thin slices like this with scissors. Now, open it completely.
It has fallen on me. Take it off me. Take it.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I got rid of it.
Now we will make a hole in this part to pass a thread through it.
Here you are, here is the thread.
Wow, thank you. I take a small sheet of paper and glue it to this part. I will glue around this sheet in several parts to stick another piece to it. Well, we have made the first piece of garland. Wow, Mr. Nose, you prepared the rest of the sheets for us, thank you.
So what? You underestimated me.
Now, we have to stick them together from this part. And now we have a garland. This garland is dedicated to Mr. Nose. Here you are.
Wow, this is amazing. Exactly what I wanted. Mrs. Lisa, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, before it's too late, I'll go do the birthday decorations. With everyone's permission.
Okay, go. Guys, don't miss the next episode of Mr. Nose's adventures. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Visit us again. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that we can make paper crafts together again in the next episodes. Bye.